The sounds we are going to practice in this video is the sound Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z. Z in genre. Again. Genre. Jealousy. Again. Jealousy. What other words have the initial sounds Z? Erosion. Again. Erosion. Visual. Again. Visual. What other words have the middle sounds Z? Pleasure. Again. Pleasure. Exposure. Again. Exposure. What other words have the final sounds Z? Reglibly. Again. Reglibes. Grade. Again. Grade. Sabotage. Again. Sabotage. Mirage. Again. Mirage. The sound we are just practiced in this video is the sound Z. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.